In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've ever tried editing and found a page locked, don't worry. This quick guide will show you exactly how to fix it. Let's dive in. First, open your Canva project where the issue is happening. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a row of icons that help you navigate through your document. Look for the grid icon. It looks like a small grid of squares. Click on it. This opens a bird's eye view of all your pages side by side. From here, you'll be able to spot which pages are locked. You can identify them by the small lock icon at the bottom of the page thumbnail. Once you've found the lock page, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for Unlock Page and click it. The lock icon will disappear immediately, and now the page is fully editable again. You can make changes, add content, or continue designing just like you normally would. It's a really straightforward process, but easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Just remember the steps. Open Grid View, locate the lock icon, right-click, and choose Unlock. And that's all there is to it. With a little practice, unlocking pages in Canva will feel second nature. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, stick around for more quick Canva tips. See you in the next one.